Hi and welcome to this learning session. Take a look at the images on your screen. They are all generated using AI. I will be guiding you in mastering text-to-image consistency, a crucial skill for creating impactful, accurate visuals using Prome AI. Together, we will explore how to turn text prompts into visually coherent and highly detailed images that align perfectly with your creative vision. Don't forget that image consistency is not just about creating visually stunning images, it's about effective communication. Whether you are working on creative projects, marketing, storytelling, or designs, ensuring that your images matches your idea is a game changer. But before we continue, let's know your tutor. Okay, welcome back. I'm your host and this is QB's tutor. I teach, you learn, and we grow together. Do me a favor by clicking on subscribe and also give me a thumbs up to encourage my small channel. Thank you. Alright, for us to continue, we'll be using ChatGPT and as well Prome AI. This is the interface of Prome AI. When you log into it, this is what you first see. Don't bother about how to get the website address. The link to this site is already there in my comment section and it's also in the description box. Just click on it and you continue everything there. You can get everything free of charge without paying anything. Okay, so for us to continue now, let's look at what the prompt I use to generate these pictures. Okay, I tell ChatGPT to write a short story of two kids, a boy and a girl, in mountain adventure. Then I also said generate the scene prompts, include their facial appearance, age, height, and what they are wearing in each scene. Now take note, I specify what I want. Okay, I ask them to make the characters to be a boy and a girl in a mountain adventure. So now with this prompt now, we'll be able to generate a consistent character using this. Now let's send it and see what ChatGPT will give to us. Okay, they are writing what we asked them to do. You can see they have given us the topic, the title of the story is already here, and the story is still writing and writing and writing. Let's just allow them to finish generating everything we need to create this adventure. All right, so now they have created, they are still creating. Okay, they've created 4 scenes for us. You can see the beginning, they've already given us the title of the adventure, the echoing peaks. Okay, we have gotten the scene 1, the scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4 here. Now if you look at this prompt they generate, let's look at the first one. This is the story of Alex and Zoe stood at the base of the disc. Okay, this beginning of the story. Now look at the prompt here, look at the same prompt. They say now ChatGPT have specified what Alex looks like and what Zoe looks like. Remember we asked them that we need just a boy and a girl. Okay, now let's copy these 2 prompts of Alex and Zoe. Okay, now we'll take it. They also specify what each background will look. We'll copy it to this place, then I copy it. Now the next thing, we need to come over to Prome AI to generate all these things. In Prome AI, this is the interface of Prome AI. Just as I explained to you before, the link to this Prome AI is already in my description box, and both all the things I use, they are all in this description box. You can easily go there and pick it up. So the next thing we'll do here is to come over to sign up. If you have not gotten there before, you just click on sign up. It will give you this prompt. It will ask you to sign in using your Gmail or using any account. So for me, I already have an account using Gmail, so I click my Gmail account to now we have logged in successfully. with our Gmail account. And remember, once you create the account, they will give you a 10 credits. Okay, they'll usually give a 10 free credits for you to start to create whatever you want. And don't bother, if you're since you're using a free version, you can always increase this credit either by purchasing, or either by subscribing with them, or another way of getting it is by posting, or as in publishing what you created for others to see. It will help you to increase your credits as well. So on this place now, there are so many things that this Prome AI can do, a lot of things they can do. But for today, as because of this program, because of the training of today, we are going to base on image generation. Okay, that's what we are working on today, image generation. So we'll click on the image generation, and this is the interface for image generation. Okay, you see here, AI image generation. That's this. So here now, this place is where you get your prompt, where you paste in your prompts. Here is where you have all the options, the advanced and everything. Okay, so here what we'll do here is to put in our prompts that we need. This was my old prompt. I removed this one, and first the prompt we collected from ChatGPT. Remember, we had Alice and Zoe, and then the background. This is the first scene of the prompt. Okay, now the next thing we'll do here is to come to this option. Either you need version 1 or version 2. Always this version 2, because version 2 is higher than version 1. Okay, this is version 2 is their latest model. Now we'll come to style. You click on style, you can see the styles that they have. They have so many styles. They have photographer style, they have anime, they have 3D, they have unique, they have so many of them. Okay, so here now, for the sake of this program, we use 3D. So click on 3D, and on the 3D you see how so many varieties of 3D to create with. So for us to use this, I choose the second 3D. Okay, and I click on this as what I want to do. Then here you come to the scene. The scene, there are lots of scenes to use. Okay, but here I'm not using any scene because I don't want them to change my prompts. Okay, so I leave the scene in none. Then here in perspective, you see the pattern of perspective you want, how you want the capture to be, but I don't want any of this. You can make your choice anyway, but from this program we are using no perspective because we don't want to choose any of them. Let our whatever JPEG give us, let it be exactly what we are using. Okay, now we'll come down again. You can see here in advanced section of it, we have ratio and we have lighting. Here you click on the ratio. This side will help you to choose the ratio of your content. Is it 9:16 as in the portrait side for short content, or is it the long content, the normal video content, which is 16:9? You can click on this 16:9 if that's what we are using. For me, this is what I'm using now. Okay, now the next one, you can choose number of images that you want. You can want up to 1, 2, or 3, but you can leave it here in 3. Okay, now the next thing is to generate. You click, it takes 0.3 credits to generate each image. So we hit on the generate. I assure you, these people they are very fast. Their generating doesn't waste much time. Okay, it's generating already for us. It will come here and this place. Now you see the characters they generated for us. You can see, let's look at the first one. You see the two characters. This is the boy Alex and this is the girl Zoe. You can see how beautiful they are. Let's go next and see if the one we would like most. Okay, this is only Alex. You can see that the character is the same. So the one we need to use is the one that two of them are together, which is this one here. So I'll download this particular one by clicking on this download sign. It will download it for you. Okay, you can download, or you can even upscale it to any side, but let's use this particular one here for now, since we are using free versions. So this is one we can use. This one they call preview download. Full download is for people that have subscribed with them. Okay, all these three for higher resolution is people that subscribe. But if you are using for free version, you need to use this preview download. Okay, we've downloaded it now. So the next thing now, let's see if this character, if this Alex and Zoe will remain as it is from beginning of the story to the end. Remember, that's the consistency that we are learning about. Okay, so the next thing we need to do here now, since we already have our characters, okay, what we'll do here now, we will come to this prompt here. Come to this prompt, okay. This prompt describe what Alex looks like. Example, Alex is a 13 years old boy, 5.2 inches height or 5 feet, slim and this. You can see how they describe the boy, and also the girl was described as well. Okay, so here now is the background. Okay, for this background we don't need this one. For other things we need, so we can remove this one, but this keywords is important. This is what we are working with. This keywords is important. Okay, so here we will not change any other detail from these ones. We must leave this detail here so that we get our consistent character. Now let's go to ChatGPT and copy what the story is about. This Alex as who stood at the base of Echo Ridge. So we'll copy from here. This first sentence is what we need, from here to here only. Then we'll paste it here. Okay, paste it here, and then we'll generate. Let's see what comes out. Okay, now you can see they generated 3 images. Okay, but it's not the 3 images. I think the first one is the main one. Let's look at how the first one is here. You can see them. You see that this first one here, tell that girl that they are disturbing what I'm doing. They are the same. You can see that they are the same. This picture, exactly what they are wearing, everything they are wearing from beginning and what they are wearing. Now you can see they have generated it for us. Let's look at the image. Wow, you can see this was Alex and this Zoe, exactly what they are wearing in the first one that we generated, which is this one. Let's look at it. You can see all their appearances are the same. Both the hair, the face, the clothes, they are all the same. Okay, now we'll move to the next scene. Go back to your ChatGPT and take the next scene. Okay, here now the scene say we'll pick from this one. This is the next story. We'll copy it and go back to Prome AI. We need to remove only this. Inside the prompt here, we'll remove only this. Okay, and paste the new prompt. Remember, we are retaining our character prompt here. Remember, we are not changing any of the character prompts, and we hit generate. We hit generate. Let's see what will come out here next. Okay, 3 other ones have come out. So if you look at these 3 now, let's look at this. This one has exactly the figure, the images that we need. You see that? You see that? This is where they are working here. Let's look at the other one. You see, this one did not give us exactly, but they don't have. They want you to choose from there. So the ones we need to choose, we are picking this one too. Okay, we download this one, but this is the image that we needed. We download this one. You need to save what you are working on by downloading them to your system. Okay, so you do this repetition. Open that. So you do this to all the same. So let's get the next one. We'll still copy this one here. Put it here and we'll generate again. Let's see the third thing. Okay, you can see the same. The first one is out, the second one is still coming, and this. Okay, so now you look at the one that suits what you are, that give you exactly what you need. You can notice here now, like her hair have changed. So let's look on that one. This is not them at all. Let's look at the next one. This is not them. So it's the first one. Usually the first one is the main thing that we are looking for. This is it. Okay, this is when they are entering the mountain. All right, so